Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from SiteMate. Heavy equipment inspections are vital for maintaining quality and safety, but traditional paper methods can lead to inefficiencies and data handling issues. DashPivot transforms this process by enabling digital inspections directly from your phone or tablet. Capture detailed feedback, GPS locations, and high-resolution photos with markups instantly. Let's see how this works on DashPivot. In DashPivot, you can create a heavy equipment inspection template entirely from scratch, or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's run a search at the top here for heavy equipment. There we go, and you can preview the format before adding this to your workspace. And remember that everything that you can see here is customizable once added. Now that we have the template ready to go, you can start filling out digital checklists. Our standard inspection checklist includes fields such as the date and time of inspection, the equipment information in text fields, and then the checklist in the yes, no, or not applicable format. Towards the end here, we have an Add PDF section and the result whether a fault has been identified. If you select yes, there's an additional table here for you to log the faults identified as well as attaching the photos. We also have a little summary table to count how many faults were presented and how many of these required maintenance. Once you save your checklist, it will be shown in a timeline view sorted by the inspection date that we input in the form, like this. All of these inspection forms are then compiled into a register automatically where all information within the checklist are viewable in a table format. There are filters available at the top of the columns to filter down the forms, such as filtering down for inspections done for the year, and then you'll be able to export all of these data as CSV file or as a PDF file. Editing your template format is easy. DashPivot features a user-friendly drag and drop system, which allows you to format your template to suit your organization needs. There are many different types of fields to select from in the left-hand panel here, and you can rearrange them as needed, just like this. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and exclude informed cloning in the field settings. Conditional logic can be applied to these yes, no, and nay questions, like the one that we have for the faults identified, to be displayed depending on the answer selected. Formulas can then be used within a table to display various values, automate calculations, and more. You can also reference multiple tables to create a summary like we have here, which counts how many faults were identified in the table above. To manage your asset further, our list module can be used as a database with various properties. For example, we have the tools and equipment list here, where we log the make, model, the type, warranty. You can have attachments and set up a column for expiration date, which is great for scheduling inspections or when various things are due. For this type of property, you can select to be notified when a set date is approaching or when it's overdue. These lists can then be linked to your template format to use as a drop-down list or as a multiple choice list within your inspection forms to make form filling easier. Any information captured within your inspections can be analyzed further using our analytics module. For example, I've set up a frequency chart for the heavy equipment inspection here to show how many inspections were completed, and this takes information from the date field within the form. Photos of identified faults during inspections are essential for accurate documentation, enhanced communication, and efficient repairs. These can be found in the Photos tab. Photo tags can be created here for easy filtering when looking for specific images, and GPS location can be captured when photos are taken through the DashPivot mobile app. While in the field, you can use your mobile or tablet to conduct inspections. The forms are organized in a timeline just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing checklists or create a new one using the plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app or choose to upload from your device gallery. Once the photos are taken or uploaded, they can be marked up to highlight details and apply tags if these were created on the web access just like we saw earlier. Photo stamps are also available to display information such as the date and time, description, the folder name, etc., as you can see on the bottom left corner here, which can be set in your mobile app settings. Once completed and you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to use a computer to export it. Instead, you can send this as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The Dashpivot app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this inspection process accessible for all personnel, whether they're on site or in the office. Our platform can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product Flowsight. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your inspection data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or analytics without the manual steps. Try Dashpivot for heavy equipment inspections today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.